Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to talk about this amazing shirt that I have here. So you can see this beautiful pink color. It says be kind. It's got this cute rainbow on it that has so many different designs. I love that it's got different colors. I like that it has like a leopard print as well with a cute little heart in the middle. It's kind of a unique shirt. I love this material. It is polyester and cotton, but I like that it's so breathable and cozy for the summer. It's nice and loose, and I love the way that it washes. It washes so amazing. I like the way too that it's got like the two-tone color on it. When you look closely, you can see like the white with the pink and the dark too. So it gives it a nice, unique color. I like those types of shirts. I really like the length of the t-shirt as well, and the stitching is very well done. I just absolutely love the look of this. I love the way it feels, and I love the color. But that's just my point of view.